Hello and welcome to the course for educators of aging adults with intellectual disabilities, a course developed in TRIADE 2.0 project. This project has been funded with the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union, so the European Commission is not endorsing the contents we are developing in this course. The number of elderly people aged 65 years or above will almost double in the next 13 years, especially in the European Union population. One of the greatest social hurdles in the European Union is the aging of population, and as the World Health Organization highlights, the vulnerability of these elderly people will increase related to age-related conditions and especially in people with intellectual disabilities. Thanks to the progress made in the field of medical research, people with intellectual disabilities have now increased their life expectancy, and currently the life expectancy of this new target population, the aging adults with intellectual disabilities, is reaching the adults with no disabilities. We know that national health and social services provision in the EU are not always adequate to respond to the specific needs of aging adults with intellectual disability. Therefore, in TRIADE 2.0 project, we have created a set of educational resources to promote and enhance the social inclusion of these aging adults with intellectual disabilities. And all these materials have been transformed in a MOOC course we are presenting now. The course has four main modules. Module 1 focuses on aging theories, perceptions on aging, frailty and resiliences, and also addresses the current perspectives and definition of intellectual disability. This module will provide the basic ground theories for defining these new target users, AAWID, aging adults with intellectual disabilities. Module 2 will introduce a conceptual framework to support aging adults with intellectual disabilities. It will provide limited outline for the concept of quality of life, its theoretical underpinnings, and its application to the lives of aging adults with intellectual disability. Module 3 has the purpose of providing the basic skills for workers and educators working with aging adults with intellectual disabilities on how to use the quality of life framework in order to facilitate and successful aging of this target population. Finally, Module 4 will introduce the concept of ICTs, information and communication technologies, in the process of supporting aging adults with intellectual disabilities, and importantly, present My New Aging Me platform, the virtual meeting point to put into practice all the knowledge and the skills learned into this course. The course has 5 main instructors, experts in their respective fields. Maria Gronova is ex-chairperson in NARU, an association specialized in supporting people with disabilities, especially intellectual disabilities, located in Bulgaria. Ilse Gudels is an expert in special needs education in the Ghent University. She's expert in optimizing the quality of life of those vulnerable populations, such as the aging adults with intellectual disabilities. Jose Gil is a psychologist and manager in the Institute of Social and Healthcare Assistance, IVAS, in Valencia. Maria Sorzano is also a psychologist and master in international cooperation and is project manager in European Department of IVAS. Antonio Martínez Millana is telecommunication engineer and professor in the Polytechnic University of Valencia, expert on health and assistive technologies. The course we're presenting will last 4 weeks. Each of the presented modules will be available 1 week. Initially, this course will be instructor-based, but in subsequent editions it will be self-paced, meaning that every learner will have the options of self-pacing the contents and accessing to the modules. Every module consists of 1 or several lessons, which combine videos, readings, and reinforcement questions. At the end of the course, once all the modules have been shown, the evaluation will consist of a final exam with 20 questions to evaluate if the learner has acquired all the knowledge he has to do. Thank you very much for watching this introduction. We look forward to see you on board the course and to get the most of all the materials we have prepared. See you soon.